Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So in today's tutorial we'll be making this Merry Christmas Snowman card. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So let's get started. So to make this card I will be using this old card which was given to me on my birthday. So I took out the messages which were inside the card and there's nothing written on the card. So I thought to reuse it by sticking some artwork, and I will be sticking it on the main page. So I took this piece of paper and we'll be making some artwork on that. So starting from the watercolor, I'll be taking the watercolor and we'll be making the patch in the shades of blue. Once your color is dried, you can use the circle cutter to cut the circles. If you don't have this, you can simply take compass and make a circle and then cut it with a pair of scissors. But if you have it, you can cut it with this one because it's very easy to cut circles with this one. As you can see, I will be cutting one more to show you how easy it is to cut the circle with this circle cutter. Once you have your all three circles, now you can start sticking them all together, starting with the base and then center and then head. Now once our snowman is completed, we can make the nose with watercolor. I'm using watercolor color red, and then I'll be making the eyes and the hands and the buttons with this pen. Now I'll be using these Posco markers to make the snow. These are amazing. I love these markers and I love this part when I have to make snow like that. Dot 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 dot. I like that. Very simple to make. Very easy to make, and then you can write your message, Merry Christmas. Now once our card is finished, we can stick it on the another card. And Aisha was there to help me, as you can see. nobody can make out that you have stick this card on some another card. And for the snow, I'll be using this liquid glitter color. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.
Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.